Hello guys, if you're a CSGO lover, you're gonna absolutely love today's video because we're gonna do a quick unboxing and review of my HyperBeast mousepad that I got recently for myself. And for all others out there who doesn't know what HyperBeast is an in-game gun skin that you get to see in CSGO, which is a fan favorite across the globe. So without any further ado, let's go and unwrap this beast and see what we get to see inside the box. If you're first time here, I'm Arnab and you're watching Next Gen Tech. So I've been trying to get this for past 2 or 3 months, but everywhere it was out of stock. So I got to know about the Ascaris on Instagram and I finally ordered it for myself after going through some of their reviews. So I want to add one thing before I unbox it. I don't know anybody in person from Ascaris, but my product got delayed because of the courier and they handled it like a boss. They were really helpful and they answered me very promptly whenever I asked anything. They also gave them their personal number just in case. So buying experience was absolutely smooth. Kudos to the Ascaris team over there. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm already getting very impatient. Let's just put this aside for the time being. First impression out of the box, this is really heavy. Like, looks like a large size dosa that you order from the restaurant. Let's go ahead and take this bubble wrap off. Packaging is really great. So as you can see guys, the whole mousepad comes wrapped in a parachute cover, parachute bag type thingy, and you just have to pull it like that. So this is their branding over here, Ascaris. This is how the mousepad looks like, and this is the bill. So this is how the mousepad looks like, absolutely gorgeous. I think they had like 3 or 4 designs to choose from. They have a HyperBeast lineup, separate HyperBeast lineup, and like you can choose 3 or 4 designs from them. I went with this one, looks pretty dope. This is the HyperBeast Dragon over here. And all this, there is a subtle Ascaris logo, their branding. I love this is a small touch and their logo is not that tacky and looks great on the mousepad though. This is how the mousepad looks like. I have paid rupees 1999 for this mousepad. I will leave their Instagram handle in the description down below, just in case you wanna get one for yourself. So keeping that price tag in mind, the product defines quality. The quality of the print and the color on it looks really amazing and vibrant. It will surely give a great makeover to your whole gaming setup. Mousepad is heavy, it's 5mm thick and has high quality double side stitching running along the sides. Ascaris also claims that it's a waterproof design, but obviously I haven't tested it out, so I can't confirm about that. The bottom of the mousepad is entirely made up of thick rubber, so it stays in one place and gives a great grip and doesn't move around on your desk. You'll find the dimension of the mousepad in the description given down below. The surface of the mousepad is entirely made up of cloth. It's very smooth and silky to touch and the mouse glides on the surface like butter. Now to give you a quick idea how the surface looks like when it's compared to my Razer Goliath Firefly Cloth Edition and the Razer Goliath Control Edition mousepad. The gaming performance has been great so far. If you guys love playing on speed surface, you're gonna absolutely love this mousepad. The mouse tracking has also been great. I haven't found any problems with the tracking. As I'm coming from a Razer Goliath control surface, I need some more time with the mousepad to get used to it. Coming to the conclusion, if you guys are planning to get a XL or a large size mousepad, you can always consider getting this one. The quality is good, works amazingly well, and it will look dope and unique on your desk. Thanks for tuning in guys. If you have loved our video, do hit the like button. If you want to see more such interesting content in near future, do hit the subscribe button. You can also follow us on our social media handle listed over here. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed. It's me signing off. And now this video would be incomplete without some CSGO gameplay using this mousepad.